Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting accessory for all you Fitbit Versa 2 and Versa owners out there. It's the Maledan braided bands compatible with Fitbit Versa 2 and Fitbit Versa. Let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Maledan braided bands are designed to be compatible with Fitbit Versa 2, Versa Lite, Versa SE, and Versa Strap, catering to both men and women. These bands are made from premium nylon material, which not only adds to their durability but also makes them incredibly comfortable to wear. The braided design of these bands boosts their durability, making them a reliable choice for various activities, from daily wear to sports and adventures. One standout feature is their excellent breathability. The braided structure promotes air circulation, preventing excessive sweating and keeping your wrist fresh and dry. Now, let's talk about the price and savings you can get. The typical price for these bands is $7.99, but they are currently available at a discounted price of $6.99. If you're a Prime member, you can even get these bands for just $5.99, saving an extra $1. Additionally, there are quantity discounts available. You can save 10% when you buy 3 or 7% when you buy 2 select items. Now, let's delve into the finer details of these bands. The bands are available in a stylish lunar white color and are designed to fit wrists ranging from 5.43 inches to 8.58 inches. They feature a convenient tang buckle clasp for easy wearing and removal. Now, you might be wondering why you should choose these bands over others. Let's discuss that. These bands are crafted from exceptionally durable and abrasion-resistant woven fabric, ensuring they stand up to everyday wear and tear. Their soft and flexible fabric provides a comfortable wearing experience and is milder on the skin compared to silicone bands. With superior elasticity and a quality stainless steel buckle, these bands can be adjusted freely, ensuring a cozy and secure fit. You can choose from a wide range of appealing colors, allowing you to personalize your Fitbit Versa to match your style. Designed for a secure fit, these bands minimize the risk of falling off, giving you peace of mind during your activities. These bands make for a perfect gift choice for various occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, or simply to show appreciation to loved ones. Let's take a look at what customers are saying about these Maledan braided bands. Customers have praised the comfort, flexibility, and breathability of these bands. Some users found them easy to install, and the extra pin provided as a backup was appreciated. Many customers loved the variety of colors available, allowing them to switch up their style. It's worth noting that individuals with smaller wrists may find these bands a bit loose. In conclusion, the Maledan braided bands for Fitbit Versa 2 and Versa offer durability, comfort, and style at an affordable price. With a variety of colors to choose from, they are a fantastic addition to your Fitbit collection. Just keep in mind the size considerations. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.